Why are printers, look at all the little intricate, it's printing, bro. Why is it complicated? Supply is low. It doesn't tell me which supply is low. It won't print, it won't explain why. I don't need this shit in my life. It won't go back in.
So printers are shit.
Here's my new fucking... I'm gonna go to Packer's head office and punch someone in the face. Go this way. I no longer print this. Goes in the bin. I'm happy. I no longer have to worry about changing the tone on my print. Problem solved.
You send me upstairs to get a network cable. I come back downstairs and you kick the fuck out of the printer.
It annoyed me.
So now
Now we don't have a printer.
so how do we print things?
We told Georgiana to go buy one.
Alright.
Go buy a new printer.
We just buy new printers.
It makes sense.
It does. This makes sense. This is.
If you had a problem with a man, you can't kick him in the face. It's the same thing with a print.
I'm not taking shit from a piece of plastic.
It's true.
Now you're in the bin forever. You plug in a printer. We've been to the moon. Why do they feel so many complicated parts? You plug it in, the computer should know what you want to do with it. It's not like you're plugging in something that can do lots of things. The computer should go, oh, a printer, okay. He wants to print things. So when I click print, it should print. I will throw away my second printer today. He wants to get fresh. Says ready. Find out. M54, yeah, okay. Print, processing. Don't know what that means. The moment of truth. There's no reason for printers to be complicated.
So you're the kind of guy that will literally throw it away.
Oh, I'll do more than throw away. I'll fucking smash it to fuck. I'm not playing games. I'm not troubleshooting a printer. I think he heard about what happened to his brother.
So printers are shit.
Here's my new fucking... I think he saw
He may have.
and thought, fuck. Done. See, easy.
All right.
Print works. Other one was like, print where? Do you print what? Where? Print the document on the printer, you piece of shit. Lucky, you survived another day. If you want to learn piano, you find someone who can learn piano, you learn from them and you start training to be able to play piano. If you want to get rich, find somebody who's rich and start training to get rich right here, right now. This is a brand new way anybody can make money, even if you only have 50 bucks. I guarantee you will make money with this system. Hold on tight, we're about to get rich. Right here, Hustlers University.